Hello traders, welcome to this quick video. I want to talk about a trade I took today. This is a short trade I took on the NASDAQ 100 index. So let's take a look at the charts. Okay, so we have the charts here. Now, let me talk about the context of this short trade I took today. So, I was looking at the NASDAQ price and I was looking at the 1 hour time frame. I saw that the price was not able to reach the upper Bollinger Band. We also had per Ichimoku these bearish signals. Flat, Kijun-sen and Tenkan set. We also have a small Kumo twist, and the price broke below Kijun-sen. We also had this bearish MACD. We had this bearish MACD crossover, and we also had this bearish MACD histogram increasing. So the trade I took was this. Given that I saw the bearish scenario developing on the 1 hour time frame, I moved to the 5-minute time frame. So now I am going to use the bar replay feature to go back. This is what I was looking at that moment. So I saw that the price broke below the lower Bollinger Band. We also had this Chiku span breakout below the lower Bollinger Band and the Kumo twist. The cloud began to turn bearish. So at this point, the price retraced to this level, and we had this bullish MACD crossover and an increasing positive MACD histogram. So let's play a few bars. So here is where I took the entry. Let me draw it to see it clearly. Okay. So this circle represents the entry, the short entry I took. And why did I take that trade? I took the trade mainly because the higher time frame, the 1 hour time frame, was showing bearishness to the downside. Also, we already have this breakdown to the downside, and we had this MACD histogram changing to bearish. So you can see that the bullish momentum for the MACD histogram was coming to an end, and the price broke below Tenkan-sen again, and it broke the lower Bollinger Band. So I am going to play a few more bars, and I will tell you where I closed this short position. So I kept this short position open until this point. You can see that I had already drawn this circle. So this was my exit. Why did I exit that trade? I exited the trade because Chiku span was getting closer to the price, so I thought it was very likely to go sideways or reverse to the upside. Let's move a few words further. So as you can see, I exited the trade too early. I should have stayed in the trade for longer because the price kept on going lower. And let's go to the latest part available right now. So you can see that I exited the trade at about half of the path that the price moved. So this was my entry, this was my exit, and well, I exited too early. The cloud was still showing a bearish market, but I didn't manage the trade properly. So well, a lesson learned for the future trades. Right now, I think that this small bearish momentum is over. Why? Because you can see that we have this low, and then we have this lower low on the price. However, we have this low on the oscillator, and we have a higher low on the oscillator. So this is a bullish divergence. Right now, what's happening with the price? Chico span is touching the price, so this is a ranging market. Kijun Sen flat, Tenkan Sen flat, Senkou span A flat, Senkou span B flat. So the price is also coming closer to the cloud, and the MACD and signal lines are coming closer to the zero line, and also the MACD histogram is pretty much at a lower reading. So well, this is the trade I took today. It was a winning trade. However, I could have kept it longer, open for more time, and I could have made perhaps more than double the profit I made today. So okay guys, this is my trading journal. I will be uploading videos like this, reviewing my own trades, either winning or losing trades. And why am I doing this? I am doing this because I want to take trading serious, and I want to become a full-time trader. So the only way I can improve is making a trading journal. I will not be talking about money. I will be talking about risk management, and I will be talking about how I handle the trade. And the reason to do this is to be able in the future to look backwards and evaluate my own improvement. So stay tuned if you like these kind of videos. I am not going to have a schedule. I am not going to settle any live streams or live trades, but I will review my own trades, and I will tell you what I did okay and what I did wrong. So guys, now I just want to take a quick look at the market. So let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to the daily one. So we can see that the market is right now testing the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So it seems that the price is forming right now this double bottom like pattern. So it's very likely that if the price is able to break below the 50% level, which is also a confluence level with the neckline of this double bottom pattern, I mean double top pattern, we will see the Bitcoin price dumping. I mean, this is not Bitcoin, this is NASDAQ 100. We might see the price going as down as this. Okay, so we might see the price going as low as 14,389. It may not happen actually. We might find support previously at the lower Bollinger Band, which is about 14,600. So this is not a bearish market yet. And the reason why is because we have the price inside very close to the cloud. Chico span is still not below the cloud. We do have this bearish Kumo twist, but let's see if this signal plays out in the coming days. We also have this bearish MACD crossover. We have the bearish MACD histogram increasing. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, you can see signs of a developing bearish market. This is why we have Chico span below the cloud. We have the price below the cloud. Kijun Sen and Tenkan Sen are also below the cloud. Bearish cloud. So right now the price is ranging. So should the price break below the lower Bollinger Band, we might see another dump. So right now you can see that this Chico span is not breaking below the lower Bollinger Band. So let's stay tuned. We have this bearish MACD crossover taking place and the beginning of a bearish MACD histogram. And in the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price is right now stuck here. So we might find support at the lower Bollinger Band, and right now this also seems like a potential bearish market because we have this bearish Kumo twist. Chico span is about to break below the cloud. Kijun Sen and Tenkan Sen are also getting closer to the bearish area of the chart. So right now the downwards movement is taking a break. You can see that the MACD is showing bearish momentum, but the MACD histogram is showing that the bearish momentum is taking a break because the MACD histogram is not increasing right now. So it might continue decreasing for a few more hours before we see the MACD going even lower. Okay, so that's it for now. Hope you like this video describing my trade. I will be describing my future trades. As I said before, this is my trading journal, and this is a way for myself to keep track of my trades so that I can take a very detailed analysis of my own performance in the future. Thanks guys, and I wish you good trades. And remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and do not forget to manage the risk because your capital is at risk. Bye.